Hello students, this is your next video on the chapter factors and multiples. In the previous video I have taught you about the prime factorization and how to do the prime factorization of a particular number and what are prime factors. In this video I am going to explain you about the factor tree. This factor tree you have studied in class 4th also. You all know what is a factor tree and how do we draw a factor tree. But I am going to explain it again to all of you in order to make you understand in a better manner. So, a factor tree contains two factors. In this method, we find two factors of a number. One factor is a prime number and the other factor is a composite number. And in the next step, this is the first step, right? In the next step, what do we do? जो आपका prime number है उसको छोड़ देंगे. Then we will find out the two more factors of the composite number. Again we will get one prime number and one composite. Then again we will find out two factors of the composite number. Again we will get one prime and one composite, and we have to repeat this process till we get all the prime factors. Now whatever I have said, I am going to explain you by an example in order to make the picture clear. For example, you have a number 64 and you have to draw the factor tree. Then how will you draw? So as we have to start from the prime factors, तो आप जैसा कि इस नंबर को देख पा रहे हैं, the unit digit is 4. That means it is divisible by 2. तो 2 से इसको हम लोग डिवाइड करेंगे. तो जब आप इसे 2 से डिवाइड करते हैं, 2 3 ज़ा 6, 2 2 ज़ा 4. Now we have got one prime number and one composite number. Now what we have to do in the next step, we have to find out the two factors of the composite number. One factor will be prime and the other factor will be composite. So 2 1s are 2, right? 2 1s are 2, 1 remainder, so 2 6s are 12. So as you all can see that one number is prime and one is composite. Again of this composite number we have to find factors. 2 8s are 16. Now 8 is again a composite number. 2 4s are 8. Now 4 is again a composite number. 2 2s are 4. So as you all can see that now 2 is a prime number. अब इसका जो factors अगर हम लोग आगे बढ़ाएंगे भी तो वो 1 2s are 2 होगा. So there is no point of writing this. ठीक है, इसको लिखने का कोई मतलब नहीं है. So as you all can see that I have find out the prime factors. मुझे जो factors यहाँ पे मिले हैं वो prime factors हैं. Now when we are going to write the prime factorization, we have to write like this. All the numbers written on the left side plus the number which is came at the last on the right side. All the numbers written on the left side plus the last number which came on the right hand side. So the prime factorization of 64 will be 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1 2 3 4 5 6 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. Then how will you check whether your answer is correct or wrong? For that what you have to do? For that you have to multiply these numbers. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32 and 32 2s are 64. So that means your factor tree is totally right. This is an example. You don't need to draw this in your classwork copy. Now I am taking one more example in order to make you understand the factor tree well. So I am taking a smaller example, that is 36. Now how will we proceed? As you all can see that the unit digit is 6, so it is divisible by 2 also. So 2 1s are 2 8s are. Now 2 9s are 18. Then 3 3s are 9. After this we cannot proceed further. Again as you all can see that one prime number, one composite number, one prime number, one composite. Now here both the numbers are prime. So as I told you, all the digits on the left side plus the last digit on the right hand side. So 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. So 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36. That means our prime factorization of this number is correct and this factor tree is also correct. Okay students. Now I am going to take one more example to make you understand the factor tree. So the next example which I am going to take is 60. It is given in your maths book also. So I am going to divide it by 2 only. 2 3s are 6, 2 0s are. Again with 2 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. Now 15 is not divisible by 2. So 3 5s are 15. 3 and 5 both are the prime numbers. So all the numbers on the left hand side plus the last number on the right hand side. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. So 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 60. That means the factor tree of 60 which we have drawn is totally correct. Now I am going to solve some questions from the maths book, that is from the exercise. This exercise is on page number 60 and this exercise is exercise 4B. So you have to do all the questions of exercise 4B solved in the video in your maths classwork copy. You are supposed to do this work in your maths classwork copy. So the first question says that write all the factors of the following using both division method and the factor tree. आपको यहाँ पर डिविजन मेथड भी यूज करना है और फैक्टर ट्री भी यूज करना है, एंड बाय बोथ द मेथड्स you have to write all the factors. So there are 4 options in this question. I will be solving 2 options and 2 options will be your homework. So 2 options solved in the video will be your classwork. 2 options left in the video will be your homework. So I am going to solve it. Question number 1, C option. So C option is 48. हम लोगों को बाय डिवीजन मेथड भी करना है और बाय फैक्टर ट्री भी करना है. तो पहले आप डिवीजन मेथड करेंगे. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2 2s are, 2 6s are, 2 3s are, and then 3 1s are. Now what we have to do? We have to draw the factor tree also. 2 24s are, 2 12s are. आपके फैक्टर ट्री में ये नंबर्स आते जाएंगे, ठीक है, लाइक दिस. 2 6s are, then 2 3s are. Now all the numbers on the left hand side, 4 times 2 multiplied by 3, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5. That means our division by our prime factorization is totally correct. And the prime factors are, अगर आपसे पूछा जाए कि इसमें prime factors कौन कौन से हैं, so the prime factors are 2 and 3. 2 और 3 है ये. It doesn't matter how many times the number 2 is repeated. If we talk about the prime factors, तो 2 और 3 इसके prime factors है. If we talk about the prime factorization, this is the prime factorization of this number. You are supposed to do it in your maths classwork copy. Now I am going to solve the 4th option. अभी जो मैंने ऑप्शन सॉल्व किया था ये 3rd ऑप्शन है. Now I will be solving the 4th option. So the 4th option is 51. So we all know that पहले हम लोगों को शॉर्ट डिविजन मेथड करना है. 3 1s are 3, 2 बचा, 3 7s are 21. अब आप लोगों को पता है कि 17 is a prime number. So this is the answer. So the prime factorization is 3 multiplied by 17 and the factor tree is also like that. यहाँ पे आपका factor tree खत्म हो जाएगा because 17 is a prime number. Now question number 2 is true and false. ये आपको मैथ्स की बुक में करना है. You are supposed to do question number 2 of exercise 4B in your maths book. Right? This is true false. I am going to explain it to you. So the first option is you have to do it with pencil. Don't do it with pen. The book becomes very dirty. आप पेन से नहीं करेंगे. So the first option is 1 is a prime number. पहला ऑप्शन जो दिया है true false में वो दिया है कि 1 is a prime number. Now you all tell me, 1 is a prime number. Is it a prime number? No, it's not a prime number. As I already told you, 1 is neither prime nor composite. That means the first statement is false. ना ही 1 prime number है, ना ही composite number है. Now the second statement given in the maths book is 15 is a prime number. क्या 15 एक prime number है? As I told you, the prime numbers are the numbers having 1 and the number itself as its factor. तो क्या 15 सिर्फ 1 और अपने खुद के टेबल में आता है? No, the statement is also false because the factor of 15 are 1, 3, 5 and 15. So it is a composite number. More than 2 factors are there. Now C option. The C option says that 51 is a composite number. So 51 is a composite number. अब हम लोगों को ये चेक करना है कि 51 composite number है या नहीं. For that we will be writing the factors. So as you all can see that it is having more than 2 factors. That means 51 is a composite number. That means this statement is true. Now come to the last statement of the true and false. The prime numbers between 10 and 20 are 11, 13, 17 and 19. Are all the prime numbers correct between 11 to 20, between 10 to 20 as per the sieve of Eratosthenes? जो मैंने आपको एक टेबल समझाया था उसके अकॉर्डिंग अगर आप चेक करते हैं, सो द प्राइम नंबर्स बिटवीन 10 to 20 आर टोटली करेक्ट. 10 से लेके 20 के बीच में यही 4 प्राइम नंबर्स होते हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू सॉल्व क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. प्लीज पे अटेंशन स्टूडेंट्स. So question number 2 you have to do in your maths book. Now question number 3 you have to do in your maths classwork copy. So please pay attention students. So the question number 3 says that write the prime factors and prime factorization of the following. ठीक है, आपको 4 ऑप्शंस दिए हैं, उसमें आपको प्राइम फैक्टर्स भी लिखने हैं एंड द प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन. तो आपका सी ऑप्शन एंड डी ऑप्शन इज 48 एंड डी ऑप्शन इज 60. फर्स्ट और सेकंड ऑप्शन विल बी योर होमवर्क. तो मैं सी ऑप्शन करने जा रही हूँ, दैट इज 48. सो 2 24s देन 2 12s 2 6s 2 3s एंड देन 3 1s 3. तो प्राइम फैक्टर्स इसके कौन कौन से हो गए? प्राइम फैक्टर्स आर 2 and 3. If I talk about the prime factorization, so the prime factorization of this number is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 4 times 2 multiplied by 3. Okay students, so the C option is solved now. Now I am going to solve the D option. So please pay attention. तो डी ऑप्शन मैंने आपको एग्जाम्पल में भी समझा दिए हैं ये दोनों ऑप्शंस. सो द डी ऑप्शन इज 60. तो वी हैव टू सॉल्व फॉर 60. राइट, 2 30s देन 2 15s 3 5s एंड 5 1s. सो 2 3 and 5 आर द प्राइम फैक्टर्स, क्योंकि ये सब क्या है? प्राइम नंबर्स हैं. Now what is the prime factorization? The prime factorization is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. Because when you are going to multiply all these numbers, the answer will be 60. That means the prime factorization which we have done is totally correct. Okay students, now the last question of this exercise I am going to solve, that is question number 4. Question number 4 says that write the common factors of the following pairs of numbers. Write the common factors of the following pairs of numbers. ठीक है, तो आपको इनके common factors बताने हैं. तो I am going to solve all the 4 options. So the first option says you have to do all the 4 options in your maths classwork copy. 8 and 12. पहले आप 8 के सारे factors लिखेंगे. So factors of 8 are 1 2 4 and 8. Now factors of 12, 1 2 3 4 6 and 12. Now in the question it is asked to find out the common factors. Common means जो दोनों में सेम हो. तो जैसा कि आप यहाँ देख पा रहे हैं, 1 8 का भी फैक्टर है और 12 का भी फैक्टर है. 2 आपका 8 का भी फैक्टर है, 12 का भी फैक्टर है. 4 आपका 8 का भी फैक्टर है और 12 का भी फैक्टर्स है. सो इफ वी टॉक अबाउट द कॉमन फैक्टर्स आर 1 2 and 4. Okay students, now the second option 12 and 30. तो पहले हम किसके फैक्टर्स लिखेंगे? 12 के लिखेंगे. तो फैक्टर्स ऑफ 12 1 2 3 4 6 12. नाउ फैक्टर्स ऑफ 30 1 2 3 6 5 and 15 and 30, right? So these are the factors of 30. Now we have to check for the common factors. So as you all can see that 1 2 3 1 2 3 ये तीनों के तीनों तो दोनों में कॉमन है. इसके अलावा भी कोई नंबर कॉमन है या नहीं, वी हैव टू चेक फॉर दैट. जैसा कि आप देख पा रहे 6 इसमें भी है और इसमें भी है, तो 6 इज ऑल्सो कॉमन. सो नाउ द कॉमन फैक्टर्स आर, common factors of 12 and 30 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. Okay students. Now the C option and D option is left. I am going to do that. You are supposed to do all these options in your classwork copy. So the C option says that 18 and 24, right? So firstly we are going to write the factors of 18. Factors of 18. So 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. These are the factors of 18. Now factors of 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8 and 24. 12 भी आता है because 12 2s are 24, right? Now we have to check for the common factors. 1, 2, 3, 6. 1, 2, 3, 6. As I can see that 1, 2, 3, 6 ये आपके common factors है क्योंकि ये इसमें भी हैं और इसमें भी हैं. So the common factors are 1, 2, 3 and 6. Now the last option of this exercise, काफ़ी छोटी exercises books में दी हैं. आपकी जो इससे पहले बुक थी उसमें काफ़ी बड़ी बड़ी exercises दी होती थी. So 30 and 36. So सबसे पहले आप factors लिखेंगे. Firstly you will write the factors. Factors of 30. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 15. Any more factor of 30? 10 and 30. So these are the factors of 30. Now factors of 36. 1, 2, 3, 4, 12, right? And then 6, 9. Now which number is left? 36. So these are the factors of 36. Now we have to check for the common factors. So as we can see that 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 दोनों में common है. उसके बाद अगर हम check करें then 6 is common, right, in both the numbers. So 1, 2, 3 and 6 are the common factors. 1, 2, 3 and 6. So all the questions which I have solved in the video will be your maths classwork. You are supposed to do in your maths classwork copy. But if I talk about the homework, question number 1, option number A and B is your homework. Question number 2 you are supposed to do in the maths book. Question number 3, option number A, option number B is your homework. Do it in your maths homework copy. Rest all the questions you are supposed to do in your maths classwork copy. And if you have any problem, you can comment in the comment section. I will explain that particular thing again in my video. If you have understood each and everything, please like the video, subscribe the channel. Thank you students.
Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.